I really don't like the idea of when people say that you need discipline to do your daily actions and to get up and go to work and to achieve your goals. I really dislike when people are so heavy to promote just discipline because I think that if you operate from that type of mindset, it makes your life 10 times harder. And I believe when you operate from a mindset of using motivation to do your daily actions and using motivation to achieve your goals, I think your life becomes a lot easier. And what I mean by that is that you can construct certain mental models in your head to make you want to achieve your goals. You can think of certain things that make you want to do the hard work instead of getting up every day and forcing yourself to do the hard work. Why would you even want to live your life like that in the first place? And do I think that discipline is still needed for success and at some points? Of course. But it's also like, do you want it or not? Right? I never really wake up and like have to use discipline. Like I just want to be better. And that's because of the mental models that I have in my head. And that's what I wanted to talk about briefly in today's video is those mental models that I'm referring to. And what I mean by the mental models that produce and like generate motivation for you instead of relying on discipline is the following. So, what I mean by these mental models is, for an example, a really good example of this is maybe heartbreak, right? Another one is family issues. And I know these sound evil, but that's the whole point of the video. Like I know these both of these examples sound super negative, but that's the whole point of this video. And it's different for a lot of people. Maybe you didn't get along with people as you were growing up, right? And there's a ton of different examples, but the point is tapping into this negative energy so that it can fuel you and tapping into this negative energy so that you can actually like extract the negative energy in order to deploy it against your goals, in order to work harder, right? In order to fuel it for you to work harder so you don't have to like fight through every day. Like what a terrible way to live life. Isn't it best to actually want to do the work instead? Oh fuck, what the hell? Where did that car come from? Holy shit. Wouldn't it be best to I hope that was on camera. But wouldn't it be best to actually be motivated to achieve your goals? Wouldn't it be best to actually be motivated to wake up every day and do your work, the work that needs to be done in order to achieve what you're trying to achieve? So, after watching this video, what I want you guys to start thinking about more is those times where maybe someone did you wrong. Maybe that time where someone said that whatever it is to your face and it really stuck with you and it kind of pissed you off in a way. I want you guys to think of these times where it was like super negative energy, and I really want you guys to tap into this negative energy. What is this car doing? What are these drivers, bro? I'm being like tailed. So I want you guys to really start to think about these times instead of doing what everyone else tells you, which everyone else says, hey, it's not okay to be angry. Hey, it's time for you to move on, right? Hey, stop thinking about that. Just move on with your life. No, whatever fucked up things that happen to you in your life, It is a blessing from God. He is blessing you with energy for you to channel into your goals, for you to channel into work, for you to channel into motivation. So don't fucking move on. Don't fucking forget about it. Remember everything that occurred to you. Remember all the times that those people, you know who I'm talking about, whoever it is in your life, those people fucked you over. That one person fucked you over. That girl who fucked you over. Don't move on. Don't fucking move on. Tap into it. Think about it every day. Make a list of all of the things and all of the people who fucked you over. Don't fucking move on. Don't fucking forget about that. How do you guys think all these other people become successful? They just have such a high ego and they think about all those fucking people who fucked them over. So that's what I want you guys to start doing.